everyone, today I'm going to give you the updated 2018 list of Listeria recalls. This list will include both foods for people as well as for your pets, because there's been quite a bit of pet food recalled as well for Listeria. So let's go. Smoked salmon and mixed vegetables, like frozen green beans and mixed vegetables. This is really hard actually. I started researching the Listeria recalls because I've been getting sick from broccoli and everything like that, and salads. Pretty much I avoid any raw foods anymore because I've gotten sick so many times. So I definitely recommend avoiding any salad mixes right now during the Listeria epidemic. And surprisingly, Panera was included in this list. Their cream cheese and cheeses. There's a lot of recalled cheeses. This is another major issue. I've met a lot of people who said they got sick from eating cheese lately, and this is likely why. A lot of cheeses have gotten recalled. A lot of you might have heard about Mexican style cheeses being completely recalled because there was so many things wrong with them. So I recommend avoiding all cheese at the moment. And even ice cream bars have gotten Listeria in them, so these are really hard times for food lovers. You will really suffer during this time. Pumpkin seed. Alright, this is really surprising. Pumpkins usually kill parasites, so I'm really surprised that they have become infected with Listeria. So that tells you just how resilient and strong Listeria bacteria are. Now, pet food. There have been a lot of recalls on dog food, cat food, pet food. The problem seems to be around raw food. So, as I mentioned earlier, avoiding raw foods is best during the Listeria epidemic, and pets are suffering from it as well. It could be really harmful for your pet. So I definitely recommend making a note of these brands that have had their food recalled because of Listeria. So you want to protect your pet from getting this because it could be really harmful, especially for kittens. So definitely I would avoid raw food and maybe consider getting cooked food for your pet, at least temporarily. Right, so that is the end of the Listeria recalls. I will definitely keep you all updated on any changes in it with another video. But for now, be safe, be very conscious about what you eat and research it before you buy it. And with that said, thank you for watching and see you next time.